attributes ng PNP, which is makadiyos at makatao. Balikan ko lang yung nabanggit mo na kung ayaw ng Chief PNP ang illegal drugs, walang illegal drugs. Kung
Yes.
ayaw ng Chief PNP ang illegal gamblings, walang illegal gamblings.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tanong, may idea ka pa ba kung itong makadiyos at makatao ay sabi-sabi lamang, is there any option para ma-address yung problema?
Number one, Your Honors, yung personal commitment mo sa trabaho, mahalin mo yung trabaho, at saka sundin mo yung utos ng Panginoon because we all know that the laws of the land is refer to the Ten Commandments, the law of God. So, kung isasabuhay mo yung batas na yon, magsasabi tayo na totoo kang nagtrabaho na may Panginoon kasi hindi ka takot at saka alam mo kung anong batas na ipapairal o i-implement mo, enforce mo kasi yun na sinasabuhay mo yung training mo, you love your training, you love your organization because you love first your God, Your Honor.
Are you aware, Colonel Espinido, na meron chaplain service sa PNP?
Yes, Your Honor.
Gusto mo bang sabihin na parang kulang yung kanilang trabaho?
Yes. Ang laking kulang, Your Honors, when in fact, I have a picture, document in my chapel of Region 8, Police Regional Office 8. Makikita mo, Your Honors, ang kaibahan. Ang Ten Commandments na sa Exodus chapter 20, verse 3 to 17, iniba na. Iniba na ang Ten Commandments na nilagay sa harap ng chapel. So, doon pa, lawbreaker na ang pulis. But iniba na ang Ten Commandments na binigay ng Panginoon sa Exodus 20, 3 to 17. Specific yun from 1 to 4, love your God. From 5 to 10, love your neighbor as you love yourself. So doon nag-umpisa na. Nasa loob pa, may violation na, disobedient of the law. Ang kapulisan natin. Sa Pro 8, Your Honor, I can see to that.
Going back, so dapat tama ang ilalagay na Chief PNP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, to proceed, Mr. Chair, in your previous assignments, naniniwala ka ba, Colonel Espinido, na kung bakit sinasabing maraming biktima sa EJK is dahil sa quota system ng PNP, sa accomplishment?
Siguro, Your Honor.
Dagdag pa dito yung reward system?
Siguro, Your Honor.
Would you believe also na yung resulta nito ay nagsimula din doon sa parameters ng UPER, ng PNP, Unit Performance Evaluation Rating,
Yes, Your Honor.
na kung saan ang itinuturing ng PNP na the best units, the best officers, yung maraming operational accomplishments at hindi yung peace and order situation sa respective area of responsibility nila. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lilinawin ko lang, base sa performance evaluation rating na pinipatupad ng PNP, mas binibigyan nila ng importance yung maraming accomplishments sa operations.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi yung peace and order situation sa kanilang respective area of responsibility. Tama?
Big yes, Your Honor.
And to clarify this issue, Mr. Chair, kapag chief of police ka ng isang city, peaceful, hindi rampant ang illegal drugs, hindi rampant ang illegal gamblings, no robbery hold-up, no kidnappings, peaceful ang area mo, hindi ka magiging best unit. Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, would you agree na isa sa dapat bigyan ng atensyon ng PNP itong performance evaluation rating system nila
Yes, Your Honor.
na mas pahalagan yung peace and order situation ng bawat area of responsibility, hindi ang padamihan ng accomplishments?
Yun ang dapat, Your Honor.
More than 20 years ka sa service. Would you agree that there are officers na may tinatawag na players
Yes, Your Honor.
para gumawa ng accomplishment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair. PNP Drug Enforcement Group. In your own opinion, nung ginawa ba ito, nakatulong sa anti-illegal drugs operation ng PNP o nagpalala?
Palala, Your Honor, sa akin.
Would you agree na kaya nagpalala mismong doon sa organization, sila na yung nakipaglaro sa illegal drugs? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dahil sila ay merong authority, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
May personnel,
Yes, Your Honor.
may intelligence,
Yes, Your Honor.
may operational capability,
Yes, Your Honor.
may logistics,
Yes, Your Honor.
may community engagement.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sumasangayon ka ba na dapat walang PIDEG sa PNP
Yes, Your Honor.
para huwag lumakas yung illegal drugs in our country?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba, Colonel Espinido, na mas magiging maganda ang kampanya against illegal drugs kung merong composite group, personnel from AFP, NBI, BID, and PNP to support the PIDEA? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa ibang involvement ng ibang PNP personnel on illegal activities or criminal activities, naniniwala ka ba, Colonel Espinido, na mapapalakas ang kampanya against criminality kung mayroong composite group na titingin sa PNP? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly wrap up,
Yes,
Congressman Busino.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, naitanong ko lamang po ito kay Colonel Espinido kasi naniniwala po ako na talagang, to be honest with you, Colonel Espinido, every time na nakikita kitang nagpre-preach ka, nangangaral ka, may pagdududa ako sa iyo. Pero nung in-expose mo ito, humanga ako sa iyo, saludo ako sa iyo. Ang tapang mo. At naniniwala ako sa iyo, yung pananampalataya mo sa Panginoon nating Diyos ang nagtulak sa iyo para maging matapang. Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Congratulations, Colonel Espinido. Thank you.
Praise the Lord.
Mr. Chair, maraming salamat po.
Thank